जिहेतु सारा दिनै बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि जि हारिमु जिथु रेलि लानाय हाबाफारि बेखौ बेखेवबाय बेखौ हारिमुनि सायाव मा फोरमायनो सानो?
हारिया बर' हारिया दावगासिनो दं। बर' हारिया दा ट्राइबेल स्टेजाव दङ। जों बर' हारिया स्टेजा बारिबाय दा स्टेट लेभेल। Now we are fighting for the start with at national level. So like this. आङो 1970 बर' साहित्यआव जइन खालामदोंमोन in Mahakalguri in North Bengal, and up to I was the member of this Boro Sahitya Sabha up to 1986. I was the vice president for 2 terms, 6 years, and I was the treasurer for 2 terms, 6 years, and secretary Bodo Textbook Committee for 12 years. So I have done that lot for the interest of this language. गतिके बर' रावखौ आं 71आव इउनिभार्सिटियाव पिअ गायसनदों। दा बेनिफ्राय आंनो फार्स्ट माने एडुकेशन मिनिस्टार जे बर' रावखौ मास्टार डिग्रियाव इमप्लिमेन्ट खालामनाया। I opened the Kokrazar University campus in the Kokrazar College and introduced Boro language in master degree course. But I could not find a suitable candidate for the post Bodo teachers, lecturers. Ultimately, I found the Dr. Ismail Hussain. He was appointed as a lecturer of the university for Bodo language. He started the Bodo language in university. Now he is in Guwahati University. He is perhaps he is a reader. So this actually माने दा बे language literature नि development थाखाय खामानि मावनायखाय बे बर' रावा थुनलाइ आफादा बर'खौ बुखांगासिनो दङ। दा बर' रावा दा माने 8th schedule हाबबाय। जों national status मोनबाय। Only the 2 languages languages have been included in 8th schedule, Assamese and Bodo. So we have no difficulty in raising this thing up to the international exposure. No problem. We are working in this field. आरो बर' माने थुनलाइ आफादा गल माने थुनलाइनिखौ सानाखै हारिखौ बुखांनायखाय हारिमु culture also development, and that's why culture and other other the activities also cultural, educational, as well as social like this. So आं सानो बे रावा बर' हारिखौ दा जों ट्राइबेल स्टेजाव दङ। बेनिखाय हारिखौ नेशनल लेभेलाव लांनायनि डेफिनेटलि माने ट्राइब इज गोइं टु नेशनल लेभेल।
नाथाय जोंनि गेजेराव सार दायो लेखा फरायनाय जि लिरगिरिफोर बिथांमोना फोरमायो लेखा फरायनाय हुदाया जोबोद खमायलांबाय। बिनि सायाव मा फरायसानो
खमायलांनाय थानाया माने दा ग्लबेल स्टेजाव माने इन्टारनेशनेल थिंकिं होनांगौ थेवबो माबाया दा बेनिखाय जाहाथे बर' रावजोंनो माने दावगानो हानो बेनिखौ मुभमेन्ट खालामगासिनो दङ। Now this Bodo medium will be raised up to higher secondary level from coming year. We are preparing, and government also allowed. Formally, Bodo language up to class 10 semen, up to class 12 level. गतिके language माने university of Mumbai. Now Bodo language is teaching in Bodoland University, Guwahati University, and last 3 years back, the Bodo language has been introduced in the master degree in Dibrugarh University. And last year in Cotton University, we are trying to introduce this language in Assam University in Kasar and Silchar, and Tezpur University and as well Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi.
सम सम जोंनि जि बर' दैदेनगिरिफोरा बिथांमोना बुङो जे जोंनि जि बर' बिजोंनि फरायनायखौ थाखो 8सिम लांनानैल' खालामनोसै होनना फोरमायो। बेखौ मा बुंनो सानो?
दाथ' माने बिटिसि माने सरकारा बेखौ लाबाय आरो माबाबाय स्टेटनो जानाय हरबाय। दा माने बबे माने माबा फरायसालिफोरखौ आपग्रेड खालामनो हागौ बिनि लिस्ट माबादों बानायदों आरो आं मिथिनायाव दा बिटिडि एरियायाव 19 माने हाई स्कुलाव जायफोराव माने हायार सेकेन्डारि इन्ट्रुस खालामनो एप्लाइ खालामनो बिनि सायाव इनकुवारि सोलिगासिनो रिपर्ट नागिरदों बेसेबां स्टुडेन्ट जायो टिचार बेसेबां थारमाने बे हायार सेकेन्डारियाव थिखांनाय लोगो लोगो एमप्लयमेन्टनि स्कप मोनगोन about generally can be absorbed more than 300 teachers can be employed in the higher secondary level because the Bodo language should be taught in the different faculties, political science, education, etc. So automatically minimum 6 teachers can be master degree can be absorbed in Bodo medium higher secondary.